Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about 3 unusual ways to boost your long-term savings. Let me start with this. Have you looked at your 401k or your IRA statement lately? Did you like what you saw? Well, if not, I can help you. When you see huge variations in the funds in your account, most financial advisors are going to tell you this: don't worry about it. It'll always come back. Just hold the course. Well, what if you don't like that answer? Just listen to this all the way through, because I'm about to reveal 3 unusual ways that you can boost your long-term savings accounts. Unusual way number 1 to boost your savings account. Now, this really may sound unusual to you, but what would you think about moving your funds to something totally different than a standard 401k or IRA account? You know, normally they get you used to making 5, 6, 7% in a whole year. Well, at TRADEway, we don't think that's enough. Okay, so I'd like you to consider a TRADEway Amped account. Amped stands for Assisted Managed Portfolios by TRADEway. We created this program for 3 reasons. First, to help you gain understanding. In other words, there's an educational component. So we're going to teach you about long-term investing the right way. What's proper diversification? You don't want to be over-diversified, but you don't want to be under-diversified. Number 2, we really stress safety. We don't want you to lose your hard-earned money. So this is built around safety and greater control and gives you the potential for good ROIs. And the main thing is it helps you protect your capital. So we want you to know when to be out of the market, when it makes sense to not even be in the market. Now, you may not realize it, but most 401ks or IRAs, those managers leave you in the market all the time, even all the way to the bottom of a market crash. We don't do that with Amped. So we're going to position you for safety so that you have the potential to avoid the big drawdowns when there's a market crash. And number 3, we're here to assist you all along the way. TRADEway's FINRA-registered investment advisory reps can help you and guide you. And what's cool about this is it's a Bible-based plan. Now, if you go into Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verses 1 through 6, for example, it says, "To cast thy bread upon the waters, for thou shalt find it after many days." And then it says, "Give a portion to 7 and also to 8, for thou knowest not what evil shall be upon the earth." Guess what this is talking about? This is probably the oldest book in the world. It's the Bible that talks about economic principles, and it's talking about diversification of assets. Now, notice it said to diversify into 7 or 8 major sections of money, right? And then it says, "Thou knowest not what shall prosper, this or that, or whether both shall be alike good." So the last verse gives God's reason for proper diversification. You don't know what's going to happen in the world. This investment may work, that one may not, so you need to be in several different types of investments. At TRADEway, we based Amped on this. So we believe there should be 8 major investment groups. That would be like bonds, real estate, or all kinds of equities, such as foreign stocks or third world stocks and so forth. And certainly, majoring on the U.S. stock market. But you divide the money into at least 8 major sections. Now, that comes from the book of Ecclesiastes. And believe it or not, if you go into Ezekiel chapter 27, the first 30 verses or so, it literally names all these different industry groups, the same ones that still exist today. Now, this was written 2,800 years ago. And it talks about industry groups such as transportation, mining and petroleum, consulting, like financial, getting leverage through human talent and so forth, is discussed in the book of Ezekiel. Automotive, of course, back then it would be chariots, but it's like automotive, and also farming, building, and all these different things. I mean, there are about 16 different industry groups listed there. So if you're looking for something different, especially if you're looking for something that's Bible-based, check out Amped. I think you'll be amazed. Now let's talk about the second unusual way to boost your long-term savings. All right, we could do this by learning to trade. Now think about this. You go out to TRADEway.com. You can find this amazing thing called the Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. I would highly recommend that you check that out because it could change your life. So you may be thinking, why are we even talking about trading? Well, when you understand the risk-return trade-off that God put into the world, you understand that the more risk you take, the more potential you have for a higher return. This can add to your returns of your overall savings, and that's what we're talking about. So not only is trading great for boosting your portfolio and adding potential ROI, but it can be another income stream for your family. So let's talk about Amped Pro for a minute. This is something we've devised at TRADEway, where our FINRA-registered investment advisory reps are able to invest your 80% money. We call it the 80% money. It could be 90%. It's whatever you choose, but it's where we're going to put the larger amount of your savings into a safer, more highly diversified position, like we just discussed. But the 20% you would be able to go in and trade with, and that gives you the potential to raise your returns on investment. You're taking a little more risk, but we teach you how to manage that risk, and that's how that works. And you'll learn to trade with these 20% funds by using the TRADEway system that's been proven over 4 generations in our family. The cool thing about TRADEway Amped is that our long-term investment program includes a way for you to benefit from short-term trading. And this is our number 3 unusual way to boost your long-term savings. Have someone else trade for you. Well, a lot of people want to do that. Now, I personally think the trading is so fun, you need to try it. And then if you don't want to trade any of your long-term money, even 20%, even 10%, you can let us do it for you. And this program is called Amped AIM, and that stands for Advanced Investment Management. And it's the same as the one we just discussed, where 80 to 90% of your money is in safer, more diversified positions that we place you into, but also our staff, our investment advisory reps, can actually do the short-term trading for you. What do you think about that? Here's something you could consider. Go ahead and start your education on how to learn to trade. But while you're doing it, while you're learning, and because it's going to take you a while to practice and get better at it, let our guys do the trading for you. But the beautiful thing is, according to God's law of risk return, that added risk, which is managed properly, has the potential to boost your returns. If you're interested in learning more about our Bible-based long-term investment program, Amped, fill out our form at tradeway.com/AMPT and go out there and learn about it. Our investment portfolios are rooted in Scripture, and we have options for people who want to invest conservatively or moderately or aggressively, depending on where you are and what your risk tolerance is like. It'll fit any of that. And so learn more about it at tradeway.com/AMPT. We'll see you next time.